So starting with DPU, defects per unit, here let's take an example that when we check the 10 units, those 10 units could be water bottles, those 10 units could be computer mouse, laptops, whatever those 10 units could be. In those 10 units, when we check that, we found 2 defects. And remember that these 2 defects could be on 2 different units, or these 2 defects could be on a single unit, whatever it is. But we found 2 defects here. Then what is the DPU? DPU can be calculated by number of defects divided by total number of units. So 2 defects divided by 10 number of units will give us DPU is equal to 0.2 here. So this was about defects per unit. Then the next matrix is DPMO, which is defects per million opportunities. Let's look at that on the next slide.